go out and make a quick video of my 1873 Springfield. I have not shot this gun for years, but it is 150 years old this year, and it's time. The wind just picked up. Hopefully the sound is okay on this. If not, I'll have to do it again, I guess. I'll make this video quick. This is a 1873 Springfield carbine in 4570 that was built in 1874, 2 years before Custer's last stand. You put a round in there, close it, and it kind of came from, I think they started building these, converting muskets. I'm not a historian, I don't know. But this gun actually wasn't a carbine. Originally it was a long gun, but whoever converted it did a good job. They did a nice job covering the cleaning rod hole. You can barely see it. It's got the sling mount, the correct trigger guard, but it doesn't have the space in the butt. Also, if it was a real carbine, the barrel would be a little smaller. This sight would be different. I don't care. I got what I paid for. This thing is awesome. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see that. There is a mysterious object out there. Let's see. I don't think it's showing up. It's right in that area. I'm going to shoot it. Let's see what I got here. Whoops. Okay, let's see if I can hit it. First try. Oh, I'm high. Let's try that again. The only time I ever shot this was at 200 yards. Got a freshie. And it was dead on at 200. So we're gonna have to aim a little low. Oh, still high. The way you unload it, it pulls the shell out and ejects it for you. Kind of neat. Must aim lower. One more. Still high. Maybe I should have practiced first. That's not how I roll. Got it. We are safe. Here we have a World War I ammo belt with 30-06 rounds in it on stripper clips. But these aren't World War I rounds. They're newer. I'm gonna take a shot with my 1903 Springfield. Zoom that in so you can't see my bumper. This is a 1903 Springfield, manufactured 1930. I bought this just as a barrel and a receiver and part of a bolt for 150 bucks, and then I've been piecing it together. I'm gonna shoot single shots at our mysterious target, one at a time. Let's see how that goes. I haven't fired this thing in forever also. think it's been out once since I finished it. Ooh, much closer. I'll probably make videos on all these guns. This one, they made it so you could do single shots, or so you can have the stripper clip. Somebody over there. Number 2, here we go. Oh, just high. Guess today's just not quite my day. That's all right. This gun was a US issue rifle that somebody started sporterizing, so I saved it. In my eyes, anyway. I like original military stuff. Well, 2 more. It's not with it today. Let's flip the side up. Go through the peep. Well, I hit it. That's all I needed. Wrong sight. A little shaky today. I'm tired. 1 more. I think I missed again. Oh well, I suck. That's okay. 1 last try. 1 last rifle. It's a Colt. 16-inch barrel with a red dot. Raiton. It's got a light. This is for in case the coyotes or mountain lions or something go after my animals. Let's see if I can hit anything with it. Wish me luck. If I miss with this, I need serious help. You know what? I'm going to stand over here further away. Hey, I hit it. Hi. Not doing so good. At least I hit it though. I'm gonna be finding these shells inside my car for the next 2 weeks. Don't want to do it anymore, I guess. 45-70. Who knows what that one is? Oh. AR. That could be a 30-06 one. Hard to say. Pretty much a failure for today, but at least the 45-70 got one in there. I tried. I'm gonna reshoot this one. I might post it for a little bit so one of my friends can see it, and then I'll take it down and make a better video, one for each of the cool firearms that I have collected over a lifetime. I think I'm done. I gotta do a little work on the 55, and I probably go out and do that, or just go in and sit down. Both sound pretty good. It's a cool place. I like being out here. Hope you're having a good day.